How's it going, everyone? Today I want to talk to you about 5 different styles of videos you can create using the Osmo Pocket 3. I've been using the Osmo Pocket 3 for over a year now, and I've been really impressed with the footage I have been able to capture. If you're new here, my name is Cole and I create a lot of content on the Osmo Pocket 3. Now let's jump into it. The first type of video I want to talk about is vlogs. The Osmo Pocket 3, I think, was really built for vloggers in mind. This camera has a built-in gimbal on it, so while you're walking around and talking, you're not getting any shakes, and it does such an incredible job capturing B-roll. I recently was in Portland and I brought this camera with me to a couple of coffee shops, and check out this B-roll I was able to capture of myself at the coffee shop. The footage turned out incredible, and this camera is so light and easy to carry with you. Take this camera, put it in reverse mode, tap on it, and now it's focusing on me. And now as I'm walking around, I can talk to my Osmo Pocket 3 and the footage looks great. Again, this is recording at 4K. But also another great benefit to the Osmo Pocket 3 is the size. This is such a small package and what you're getting is incredible. In order for me to mimic this, I would need a giant camera on top of a giant gimbal, and I wouldn't look very discreet. As I'm walking around in different cities I'm visiting, pulling out my Osmo Pocket 3 and just walking around like this, or even like this if I want to capture some B-roll. It doesn't draw a lot of attention to yourself, so it is a great camera to bring along with you. And like I said, because it is so lightweight, you really don't notice carrying it as much. And this is a camera that I bring with me everywhere I go, and the perfect camera to vlog with is the camera that you have on you at all times. One other note that I wanted to bring up while vlogging is if you do get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creative Combo, you do get the DJI Mic 2. And this is incredible because now I have a mic which captures really great quality audio, and it automatically will sync with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So now while I'm out vlogging, I know I can capture some amazing audio for my vlogs. If you watch a lot of vloggers, you will see they are using the Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic 2. Here's a quick example vlog I shot with my Osmo Pocket 3. So the first coffee shop I want to mention is Night Swim. Night Swim is probably my favorite coffee shop in Charlotte. It is absolutely incredible. This reminds me of a beach house in California. The decor is amazing. And let me tell you, their espresso machine is purple, lavender purple. It looks great sitting there on their coffee bar. The next style of videos I want to talk about, which is similar to vlogs, is travel videos. I have taken this Osmo Pocket 3 on so many trips with me. However, I was recently in Spain, in Barcelona and Madrid, and it was so easy to take this camera with me to capture the beauty that Spain has to offer. And I was really blown away with the quality of the video I was able to capture on my Osmo Pocket 3. So if you're looking for just a camera that you could bring with you on vacation and really showcase the traveling experience you're having, I think the Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for that scenario, especially because it is so lightweight and you can just throw it in any bag that you're already carrying with you. It really isn't a problem to carry this camera with you. A couple of years ago, I was in Italy and I didn't have the Osmo Pocket 3, and I ended up carrying a whole camera bag full of equipment with me. However, I didn't use a lot of it because it was just such a hassle to take out and use. I wasn't gonna walk the streets of Italy with a full gimbal setup and my A7S on top. However, when I went to Spain, this is so easy to just pull out and start using right away. Now you may be thinking, can I just use a GoPro? And I will say the GoPro was my camera of choice before the Osmo Pocket 3 came along. I've taken this GoPro on a couple of trips. However, it is heavy and I don't have a built-in gimbal here, so the footage is still kind of shaky, where this camera has its built-in gimbal. So it's really incredible because I'm able to capture cinematic, smooth shots. And another big benefit to using the Osmo Pocket 3 is it does have a larger sensor on it. So in my opinion, the quality on the Osmo Pocket 3 is significantly better than one compared to a GoPro. However, it is nice to bring a GoPro with you if you are going someplace tropical or to the beach, because this camera is not waterproof, so you might as well bring your GoPro too, so you can still capture that footage in the water. The third type of video I want to talk about is product reviews. So the Osmo Pocket 3 does a great job at showcasing products you can just simply turn it around, and if you tap on the product that you're holding up, so if I were to do a review on this SanDisk drive, I can just take this camera here, set it down, and now if I tap on the Osmo Pocket 3, it is going to actively track the subject I am trying to review. So now I can showcase my SanDisk hard drive, and the Osmo Pocket 3 really does a great job at this. And I have been very impressed with the quality of the shots I have been able to get, especially for capturing products in a review style video. The fourth style of video that you can create using the Osmo Pocket 3 is event coverage videos. I think the Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for events. For work, I travel to a lot of conferences where I need to capture footage, and I must say the Osmo Pocket 3 does an incredible job at doing so. Before using the Osmo Pocket 3, I used to have a giant gimbal with my Canon C70 on it, and carrying around that camera setup for 4 or 5 hours really was daunting. You know, it's very heavy, it's over 20 pounds. So when I switched to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for event coverage, I was blown away because the camera is so light that I can shoot with this camera for 8 or 9 hours and it isn't going to take a lot out of me. Another great thing is it does have that built-in gimbal, so you know when I'm at the event and I'm capturing that footage, it is smooth and it looks great. So that's why I think the Osmo Pocket 3 does an incredible job at capturing events. The last type of video I wanted to talk about is real estate videos. So the Osmo Pocket 3 would do a great job at showcasing a home or a hotel or any type of building for that matter. Because it has its built-in gimbal, while you're walking around and showcasing the different rooms, your shots are going to be extremely smooth. And like I said, you can shoot in slow motion, so you can slow it down a little bit to add a little more cinematic feel to the real estate videos you are filming. Another bonus shot you can get with the Osmo Pocket 3 instead of capturing drone shots is you can put this camera on a super long monopod, and I'll showcase that here. And this way you can capture some really nice exteriors of the home that you're trying to capture. And I think the Osmo Pocket 3 would be a great camera to capture real estate style videos. Awesome, well thank you again guys. I really hope you learned something in this video. As you can see, the Osmo Pocket 3 does a great job at capturing all different types of videos. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.